Welcome back to the channel. We got everything in the front end all mounted, all the tabs made. So we got a lot of cleanup to do, but we're gonna strip it down, pull the condenser and the steering and whatnot, get the radiator out so we can fix the radiator, and then we'll weld out the front, get the front stripped all the way down, clean it up, and then we'll weld it all back together. Let's get started. Got the inner side of the steering box plate fully welded and tied into the front tube cross member. Going to tear the whole front end down, cut the tacks, pull the front end off for full welding. Alright, we got all the side panels in, so everything is full welded already that we can get to. So we're going to have to pull this whole front end off and then make a couple tube caps, clean up everything underneath, and weld the back side. And then we weld it back on and get the front end back together. All right, we got all the front end all welded in, so now we just got to reassemble. All right, so this radiator got hit with that piece of metal, has a hole in it. So we're just gonna cut a small piece of aluminum, clean all this up, and patch it. And then that way we can put this radiator back in and leave it in. All right, we got that hole all welded up. Put it back in. All right, we got all the front end back in except for the winch. I'm going to make a quick battery box, or it already has a battery box, but just make a cover for it. It didn't have one. So made some cardboard, figure that out. And then from there, we just need to do power steering lines as well. Got the battery hole down all bent up and cleaned up. Let's go put it in. A nice snug fit so the battery won't move anywhere. Got the battery mounted, nice and secure, doesn't move anywhere. Got the front end all finished up, welded in, everything reinstalled. We got the steering lines fixed, brake lines fixed, all the wiring cleaned up. So that's pretty much it for the front end. Thanks for watching.